if you want to open Google Assistant or Gemini from power or side button on your Samsung Galaxy A36, it's quite easy to do so. First of all, you need to find a good lock application in your Play Store or Galaxy Store, doesn't matter. Now let's press open, and now we have to press agree and continue, right? So here we gotta find our plugins. In our plugins, we are to find our Registar. That's what we need. Let's press install and give it a couple seconds to be installed. Great, now we have it installed. There it is. Let's open it up. Press continue, give all the necessary permissions. All right, now we have to press side key press and hold action. Make sure to activate it and choose access to your Google Voice Assistant. Now let's try. First of all, let's look at our power button. It's right here on the right side of our phone. If we're gonna tap and hold it, we're gonna have our Gemini activated.
Hi there, I'm Gemini, your helpful AI. What can I help you with today?
Gemini, what's the weather tomorrow?
In Prague 3, it'll be sunny, with a high of 17 and a low of 4.
Perfect. Well, basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.